Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have some new sticker books from Planything that are currently available right now to purchase if you are interested. I have some 5-year anniversary, Planything 5-year anniversary items here, which is really excited. So congrats, Amber, for that huge accomplishment, 5 years. That is amazing. She's been giving us 5 years of amazing, cool product, and I really enjoy Planything, Amber's sticker books and product and all that, so definitely excited for your 5-year anniversary. Also, we have this Sunny Days sticker book, so a perfect sticker book leading into what's gonna be summer soon. I'm not a huge fan of summer, but I do love some summer stickers. That does make me happy, at least when it comes to the summer months. But I'm gonna flip through these books, and then I'm going to do a plan with me featuring one of them. So yeah, let's do like the little flip through. I'll show you all the things that are currently available right now to purchase. We have some awesome washi right here. I love Amber's washi because it's really good, neutral patterned washi, but in fun colors. I use Amber Planything's washi all the time because like I said, it's neutral patterned washi, but then with nice pops of different colors. So we have a blue grid here, then this pretty pink, nice vibrant pink, and then a really pretty purple. So those are the washi rolls that you can buy from this release. And then let's get into the Planything Memories sticker book. It looks like it's gonna be some faves from the past when it comes to the stickers. And I absolutely love this page right here. It's so pretty. I love the colors, the little butterflies, absolutely adorable, the girl. And then we have another spring sticker sheet there. Some houses, different houses. I love some houses and trees. Houses and tree stickers. Look how cute these little girls reading some books. Then some boxes, more houses, more of the tropical ones. I love these beach scene ones, so pretty. And the girls, I love like girls, like the backs of girls. I don't know, I just prefer that view. And so you got lots of those. Some lighthouse and beach themed ones here. We have some boxes, the fall theme here, the houses. I love this page right here. This is such an adorable page to use for Halloween. All of the animals dressed up in their costumes, absolutely adorable. Love that one. I also love this one too, the people, so you can make some scenes. So you have fall and then winter that you can do with scenes there. And then, she included, so for a bit, Amber was drawing her own artwork, and these were her illustrations. Look how adorable they are. Love. So cute. Then we have a Christmas page here. Some boxes. Some fun letters. And then, yeah, so A through Z on the letters. Cute. Okay, and then I have this sticker sheet. This goes to the other one. Okay, so that's the sticker book. Sorry, I had something extra, but it goes to the other book. So this is Planything Memories. This is a 20-page sticker book, and it is currently available. Some of the faves from the past. Really good book. All right, so that one's Planything Memories, and then next I have Sunny Days, and this one came with some sheets. I guess there's a defect on some of the sheets, so James including the replacement pack for those, so we shall see where those come up. But this one is called Sunny Days, so it's a summer themed book. 15 pages in this one. Okay, here's the first page. I love the beach scenes here, so pretty. Love the colors, the waves, cute. I love the color scheme. It's like a very nice pastel-y soft color scheme. This one's super cute. The pool theme. Then you got the little houses, the beach houses. Here are the boxes. And then the pool theme. All the little floaties. Oh, I love the pink lemonade theme here. Some florals. And then we have some colorful boxes here. More of the little floaties and beach attire. Ice cream, travel. Definitely can use this for this year. And then some more boxes. I love these. These are so cute. How cute are those? Those are so pretty. Summer, summer, summer. Life is better at the beach. I love the color scheme. So cute. Okay, so let me see what these are. These replacement ones. Okay, so it looks like you just got some extras. I feel like the only difference, this one looks a little brighter. I don't know what the issue is. Oh, it says it has a product defect. So I'm not sure what it is, but whatever it is, I guess I'll figure that out once I actually use the stickers. But here are the replacement sheets for the boxes in here. But yeah, really cute book. All right, so that is Sunny Days, and that one's currently available. And then, of course, don't forget Planything Memories, the Washi, all the things. All right, I'm going to grab some pages, and I'm going to do a plan with me. If you're interested in purchasing this, like if you just wanted to watch the flip through, these are available right now. I have my affiliate link down in the description. Definitely check that out. And then, yeah, I'm going to do a plan with me now. So if you're interested in that, definitely stay tuned. I'm going to make a little, I think I'm going to do I've been having a lot of fun making some Skinny Classic spreads. So I think I'm going to do a Skinny Classic spread. All right, so I got my little book of Skinny Classic pages that currently I'm just decorating spreads. I'm just having fun decorating some spreads. As you can see, I plan on giving them away to patrons. So let's see what the next week is. So I have to skip a page because I don't want to, if I give this one away, I won't be able to use these pages. So I'll use these. Okay. And this is perfect because it's like a summer month. So I'm just going to use sunny days for this spread. Okay. And I think I wanted to use, I really like the beachy or the pool theme. I like this one. So let's use this. I'm actually going to pull it out. And then I will just use these sheets because I feel like, yeah, those go very nicely together. And then I might grab some different washi because I don't think that this washi goes with this. So I will just grab some other Planything washi. This whole little tray has become, this drawer has become all just Planything washi at this point. So as you can see, I have lots of good options. I really like this blue actually. Let's do this blue. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, I think that's a pretty blue. I might grab more, but I think for now this is a good start. So let me put the washi down first. Make sure I'm still filming. Yes, good. I think it's the first time I've used this washi. Just want to put a little bit here and there before I start putting stickers down. It's like top and bottom basically is what I usually go for. And then I might put some in this spread once I put stickers down. Okay, I'll make sure I'm still, yeah, okay. I'm not sure if I was still in frame. Okay, same thing over here. Oops, I ripped it. We actually just had a heat wave here. Of course, it was a day where I was going out of town and we went to Universal Studios in Hollywood, out in LA, and it was like 96 degrees. It was absolutely ridiculous. Thankfully, it was dry. It wasn't humid, so it could have been worse. It wasn't as miserable, but yeah, it was really hot. And then now it's back to 60s. Makes no sense. We just got like a random heat wave. Okay, I love this little pool scene. So I'm just gonna put it here. This little note section here. It's kind of like a little free space for me. Okay, let's put some boxes down. So I have this nice pink one that I can stick here for the weekend. Little weekend box. And then I want to do a circle on top. And let's see, what can I put up here? Let's do the sun. And then I have like a little banner. Oh, and then I got the quotes. I really want to use the quotes because they are way too cute. Okay, that's pretty good, right? So let's add some more functional stickers. I want to get some bullet points down. Okay, we got those. Maybe I can do a box. Do this box here. Okay, I think that's cute on that side. Moving on to this side, so I want to put, I think I want this little umbrella, a box. Okay, so this will go, we'll put it here. And then a circle sticker over here. And then, oh, let me get the quotes before I forget. So I do want to add a quote in. I love the quotes. So let's do this. Here comes the sun. Cute. Okay, let's do, need green over here. And then I'll do this blue over here. All right, what other decorative things can I do? So let's do, I like the little surfboard and the chair. If I can get it off the page. I'm actually gonna cut it so it's flat on the bottom. Maybe a tree. Okay, I'm gonna put some bullet points down just for some more functional stuff. So let's do pink here. I'll do a couple here, I think in do the light blue. All right, I want to add a little ice cream over here. And then what else? I feel like I have a good amount on the page. More washi maybe? Oops. Let's put washi here. Okay. Washi there, and then I can put washi here. washi here, and I feel like everything's on this side, so I want to put a little bit over here too, just to balance it out a little bit more. Okay, it's cute, right? So cute. I think I might add a couple more bullet points, so let's do a bullet point. All right, let's do blue. Some people always tell me, like, there's just too many stickers on the page. But I don't think, I mean, for me, yeah, there's a lot of stickers on the page, but it's still, for me, functional. Usually these planners are, I mean, you really can't put a lot on these pages to begin with when it comes to plans. But I feel like this is all usable space, usable space. This I usually use for a weekend sticker to cover both days. So it's just like a long list. I realize now it's really crooked, but that's okay. Gives a little bit more character. But yeah, it's just basically, oh, you know, I have a different color. I think I want pink. It's just basically utilizing all of the open space to write in. So for me, I feel like there's lots of room for plans, but some people just don't see the vision, I guess. Like I would write here, I would write around here. Yeah, all over you can write around. But I think that's gonna be it. Came out really fun and cute. So cute. Okay, so that's gonna be this spread using the Sunny Day sticker book from Planything. Absolutely adorable little spread that I was able to make with Planything stickers and washi. So cute. But that's gonna be it. Don't forget about Planything memories and then the washi. All right, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.